In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do page setup in Layout and Scale setting in AutoCAD. Start by moving to a Layout tab, also known as Paper Space, at the bottom of your screen. Layout tabs are where you arrange viewports and set up how your drawing will appear on paper, so it's important to be in the right place before making any plot settings. If you stay in Model Space, plot settings won't apply the same way, so make sure the tab name at the bottom is a Layout rather than Model. With the layout open, right-click the tab name and choose Page Setup Manager. Then select Modify. This opens the dialog where you control how the sheet prints. Page Setup Manager is the central spot for defining the sheet size, the output device, and the overall scale relationship between your drawing and paper. When you click Modify, you'll see several options related to plotting. Under the plot settings, first choose your printer or plotter. Pick the device you will actually use to produce the output, a physical printer, plotter, or a PDF plotter if you want electronic output. Choosing the right device ensures the paper sizes and available resolutions match what you expect. Next, select your desired paper size. This is the physical sheet dimension that your drawing will be fitted to. Whether it's A4, A1, or a custom size, matching the paper size to your intended output prevents unexpected clipping or scaling. If you're working with templates, confirm the paper size matches the title block and margins already arranged on the layout. Make sure the plot scale is set to 1:1:1. Setting the plot scale to 1:1:1 means AutoCAD will plot the layout exactly as it appears in Paper Space, so any viewport scales are controlled within the viewports themselves. This approach avoids double scaling problems, where the layout scale and viewport scale conflict. If your viewports are set to a specific drawing scale, keep the layout plot scale at 1:1 and adjust the viewport scale instead. When your selections are correct, click OK to apply the settings, and then close the Page Setup Manager. Your layout is now configured for consistent plotting. As a tip, always double-check that your viewport properties and layer print settings align with the plot settings before sending the final job to the printer or exporting to PDF. Keeping the layout plot scale at 1:1 and managing scale in viewports gives you predictable, professional results every time.